So we've just started our month-long road trip up the east coast of Australia, and this is what we've got. This is our great weather. Pretty good, huh? But anyway, we had a bit of a rough start to the trip. We weren't even sure whether we were actually going to make it today, whether we were actually going to leave today. I was so tired. Poor old Noah came home from school on Wednesday with 40-degree temperatures and was really sick. So he got the all clear from the doctor this morning that we can head off, and he's feeling much better, aren't you, Bubby? Ada got a day off school just in sympathy.
And I had like 3 days off school because I was
sick. That's right. It's now, what is it, 1:30 on Saturday the 16th of March 2019. And
first stop at Crescent Head tonight.
Yeah.
And then Lennox Head tomorrow night.
So the plan is to, well, we don't really have a plan actually, because we just decided to play it by ear for a lot of the trip. We've got our first week or so planned. We're staying at Crescent Head tonight, Lennox Head on Sunday night, and we're going to head up to the new Big Four that's opened up at Sandstone Point for a couple of nights, so we can go to Australia Zoo.
See what all the hype's about.
Yeah. Do you want to go to Australia Zoo? You want to see some crocodiles?
crocodiles.
Yeah. Yeah. And
I want to do that tomorrow.
yeah.
Do that tomorrow, actually.
Well, no, Tuesday I think we're going to do that. And from Sandstone Point, I think we're going to probably head up to Agnes Waters, 1770, around there.
Yeah.
With
After that's your moon.
oh yeah, sorry, your poon. Call in
And then Cape Hillsborough.
yeah, Cape Hillsborough for the night, so that we can get up extremely early. So I just found out I don't do mornings. Oh. And yeah, go and feed some wallabies and kangaroos. Actually, probably just north of Hawke's Nest, I guess.
We've landed in Crescent. It's the weather's hasn't changed much. It's not raining, so that's a bonus. I'm just going up to the headland up here just to have a look, see what it looks like. No, the fruit off that tree. It's got to be beautiful if it's blue skies. Alright, good morning. Woken up, and I can't believe the beauty of this place, you know. It is awesome. It's unbelievable. Just this, come out the caravan park, like, you've just got to walk 5 steps across the car park, and then you've got this. It's an unbelievable spot. I don't know why I haven't been here yet. So I'm going to go back to the van now, wake up the rest of the crew, have some brekkie, we'll hitch up and head on up to Lennox Heads.
It's day 2 of our trip up East Coast. We're travelling. We just spent the night in Crescent Head. It was beautiful. It was so nice. It was raining and it was overcast, but you can just see that it is just gorgeous. We'll definitely be staying there again, I think. And we had a pretty good night, didn't we? Nice, quick set up and pack up. Found a few things at the Caravanning camping show, which really helped us this time pack up. They were, the things that helped us this time round were what was the windy thing?
Flat Out
Australia. Yeah, Flat Out International Australia.
Yeah,
it's we'll have to show you, but it's a cord winder and a hose winder. So quick, even I can do it. Even Noah can do it.
Everyone smiles and smiles.
Just landed here in Lennox, or what's the actual name of this place?
Yeah.
Skinner. Ballina Headlands Holiday Park.
Yeah.
That's Skinner's Head.
Yeah.
And kids have taken off to go and check out the temperature of the pool water. Weather's not much better. You know, going to get wet if you're swimming anyway, so doesn't really seem to worry them. Nice drive-through site. I'll give you a look. Can keep it all hitched up, which is great. Just got to wind the legs up in the morning, roll the awning in, and off we go. So yeah.